Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search in an Excel sheet in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. If you want to search for specific data in Excel, go to the ribbon, which is the top bar right over here, and look for Find and Select. Click on it and select Find. A window will pop up where you can search for data using quite a lot of options that are available. So let's go through them one by one now. The easiest way to search in Excel is to type specific text or a number you're looking for into the field that says Find What. For example, we're going to search for Andre. Let's click on Find All, and Excel will list all occurrences of Andre within the data table. You can conveniently click through specific cells that contain the search text. And let's take a further look. To perform an advanced search, there are more options available in Excel, and we'll go through them together now. You can see these options if you click on the Options button. And you can search based on specific formatting, choose whether you want to search within the sheet or the whole workbook, choose whether to search either by rows, which is set in the field by default, or by columns. Set whether you want to search only in formulas, values, or comments. So let's say we want to find whether the function sum is within the sheet. We'll click into the field Find What, type in sum, and choose to look in formulas. Then we'll click on Find Next, and Excel will immediately find the next cell where the function sum is located. If we click on Find All, we'll see all cells that contain this function listed below. Quite handy, right? But let's continue. Select the option Match Case Only if you want to make the search case sensitive. This means that it matters whether the text you type into the field will be written in lowercase or uppercase letters. Let's say we want to find Andre, but we type the name all in lowercase. If you've selected Match Case, there will be exactly 0 results because our Andre is spelled with a capital A in the table. If we untick the box, Excel will not differentiate between lowercase and uppercase letters, and will find all cells that contain the text Andre with a capital A even though we type it in lowercase. Then there's the option Match Entire Cell Contents, which you should select if you want to search for cells that contain just and only those characters you type into the Find What field. This is helpful if you want to look for, let's say, the number 50. If we don't select the box Match Entire Cells Contents, Excel will find all cells where the number 50 is present, at least partially. However, if we tick the box, we'll see the cells containing only the value 50 among the results. And finally, here's a little time-saving trick. You don't have to click through all the buttons to get to the search window. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl F, and this will start the search function straight away. And you can immediately start looking for the data you need to find, just as you saw in this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.